Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to download and install QuickShare from Google on your Windows PC, a fantastic application that makes file sharing a breeze. Let's get started by opening your web browser on your Windows PC. Navigate to the Google website and search for Nearby Share for PC. Click on the official Google QuickShare link to access the download page. Once on the download page, locate the download button and click on it to initiate the download process. Depending on your browser settings, you may be prompted to confirm the download. Go ahead and confirm. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the QuickShare setup file is saved. Double-click on the setup file to start the installation process. A setup wizard will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, you can launch QuickShare from your desktop or Start menu. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and installed QuickShare from Google on your Windows PC. And there you have it, folks! Now you're ready to easily share files from PC to Android or Android to PC using QuickShare. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials.